Hey guys, and welcome to today's episode 23. We are currently at £19,285, and as you can see, last week we did have a lot of downturn. So I'm just going to go through my portfolio and see what's gone down, what's gone up, and what's happening with it overall. So here's a portfolio. It is a portfolio that consists of about 52 shares. So I'm only going to talk about a few of them, and then I'm just going to generally talk about the overall view, my overall view of the market, and how my strategy is kind of protecting me from a lot of mishaps that a lot of other investors I've seen have. So let's get started first. So let's have a look at the stocks that have moved up, and a lot of the value stocks have come into the foreground, moving in the right direction, hitting lots of greens, such as Amazon, Google, Apple, and others like Visa, for example. So they're absolutely doing really well. Value stocks have made a little bit of a comeback, which is great. And not only that, they pay a bit of dividends too. So those that do pay dividends, it's a double bonus. And the other thing that I'd like to mention is that the property market is doing really, really well. So the likes of Realty Income and Prospect have done really well, apart from some of the other ones in my monthly div pie. And finally, just some good news that's come out of GSK. You know, they've got some portfolio of drugs kind of going to come out soon, so their share price had a bit of a green, so which is really, really good news. What I wanted to quickly talk about was the white, which is basically some of the shares that I wanted to add to. These have had some downturn, so they are actually the right time personally for me to buy them now, because they're close to NAV value, nearly $10, which is perfect. I did add to UWMC, which is kind of ties in with the mortgage side of things, but with the housing boom, I feel like the mortgaging is going to be on a similar path, so they're going to do really well. They're currently at $8, but I think the true valuation of the company says it'll be around $20, $21, so that's 200% straight profit if the markets start to move in the right direction. So that's why I've added to that, and obviously those are the two that I have mentioned in the video before, so I'll put a link there so you can have a look at that one. And just to want to talk about overall market, I feel like everything is shifting back to value stocks, and so I haven't stopped investing in value stocks, so I have continually invested throughout the whole year in value stocks with my pies, and so I don't have anything to worry about that, and nothing's going to stop. So I'm going to keep putting money into them. The only thing that has had a bit of a downturn is the growth stocks. So a lot of the growth stocks have stopped growing. They have took some their losses, the likes of Desktop Metals, which I own, which was quite a large part of my portfolio at some point, and yeah, it's gone from $30 to about $12, but it doesn't faze me, it doesn't worry me, because the way that my portfolio is and the strategies that I'm using. I will make a quick video on my growth strategy and how I protect myself from these downturns, so my overall portfolio doesn't take a huge hit. So stay tuned for that. So just a quick video about my overall portfolio. I thought you guys would enjoy this, and stay tuned for my growth strategy video, which should be up within the next week. And thank you for listening, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you like my content, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks, guys.